Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a squishy
make a red.
Yeah, and I'm making a rat. Let's try to make this aesthetic.
Oh, here it is.
Very nice. Okay, so I have my younger sister making a narwhal and my older sister making a cat burger. So this is supposed to be a panda, but I'm gonna turn it into a rat. So I'm going to try to make like an ice cream drippy rat thing. So yeah, I have some blue coming on right here, you know, let's see how this turns out. So I mean, I have made a little bit of progress. Maya has, and look how pro Jocelyn's is.
Very pro.
Very pro. Okay, well, yeah, that's that's my progress so far. So let's add some sprinkles. Okay, so I'll see you after the sprinkles are done.